We all know most fruits contain sugar. This has raised questions about whether fruits are suitable for people who have diabetes. Is fruits really dangerous for people with diabetes? Welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live a healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so that you don't miss any of our videos. One way to select safe and suitable fruits and other high carbohydrate foods for a diabetic is to check the glycemic index or GI. Glycemic index is a rating of foods on a scale from 1 to 100. The score indicates how quickly the food item may raise blood sugar levels. Low GI foods are better for helping control blood sugar levels. Eating enough fiber plays an important role in managing diabetes. A diet high in soluble fiber can slow the absorption of sugar and control its levels in the blood. Many fruits are high in fiber, also many fruits are filling because of their high fiber and water content. Here are a list of fruits with low glycemic index that a diabetic can safely have. 1. Apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. We already told in our previous videos that apples are very low in calories. Didn't watch the video yet? Follow the link in the description box below. Apples are loaded with fiber, hence making perfect fruit that a diabetic can have. Apples do contain sugar, but much of the sugar found in apples is fructose. When fructose is consumed in a whole fruit, it has very little effect on blood sugar levels. Also, the fiber in apples slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar. This means sugar enters the bloodstream slowly and doesn't rapidly raise blood sugar levels. Eating apples on a regular basis has the potential to reduce insulin resistance, which should lead to lower blood sugar levels. Make sure you don't peel your apples, because the skins are nutritious, with extra fiber and heart-protective antioxidants. 2. Berries. Whether you love blueberries, strawberries, or any other type of berry, here is your good news. Berries are a diabetes superfood because they're packed with antioxidants and fiber. Do try berries in a parfait, alternating layers of fruit with plain non-fat yogurt. It makes a great dessert or breakfast for diabetes. 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are versatile and easy to add to meals. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits and lemons are full of fiber, vitamin C, folate and potassium, which would help benefit a healthy diabetic eating plan. Orange is the most talked about among citrus fruits. Oranges are full of fiber. Fiber takes longest to break down and digest. This enables slow release of sugar into the bloodstream, which would further ensure that your blood glucose levels are stable for a long period of time. Moreover, the glycemic index of raw oranges is just about 40 to 43, which is considered very low. 4. Tart cherries. The sweet and tart versions of the fruit contain chemicals that boost insulin, which helps control blood sugar levels. It is the same naturally occurring chemical that gives red color to the cherries. Cherries are considered as a healthy snack for diabetic people, as their glycemic index value is 20 and in some cases, even less than 20. 1 cup of cherries has 52 calories and 12.5 grams of carbs, and they may be especially good at fighting inflammation. Tart cherries are also packed with antioxidants, which may help fight heart disease, cancer, and other diseases. These fruits can be purchased fresh, canned, frozen, or dried. But since many canned and dried fruits contain added sugar, which can spike your blood sugar, be sure to check the labels. 5. Peaches. They're considered drupes or stone fruit because their flesh surrounds a shell that houses an edible seed. 1 medium peach provides about 15 grams of carbohydrate, so it will easily fit into a meal or snack. Peaches are low in fat, as well as a good source of potassium, fiber and vitamins A and C. They can be eaten on their own or added to a variety of dishes. Don't forget to limit your serving size to 1/2 cup. 6. Kiwi. Many researchers have proved that eating kiwis could actually help you in lowering your blood sugar levels. 1 kiwi also has about 42 calories and 10 grams of carbohydrates, so it's a smart addition to your diabetes-friendly diet. Kiwis work against diabetes best when eaten without any additional sweeteners. You can also add it to healthy recipes to make your diabetes diet more effective. Kiwis are available year-round and will last in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. 7. Pears. Because pears are an excellent source of fiber, they make a wise addition to your diabetes meal plan. Plus, unlike most fruit, they actually improve in texture and flavor after they're picked. Store your pears at room temperature until they're ripe and perfect for eating. Don't forget to choose fresh or frozen fruit when you can. Because processed fruits often have more carbs and can raise your blood sugar higher than fresh fruits. When you eat dried or processed fruit, check the label. Many have added sugar in it. Research even links drinking lots of fruit juice with a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. So have the fruits in whole rather than making it a juice. Spread your fruit out over the day. Instead of 2 servings for breakfast, have 1 at breakfast and another at lunch or as a snack. Comment and let us know how you like the video. To know more about the food diabetics should avoid, follow the link in description box below. Subscribe and stay tuned for more health and fitness information videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.